Hello YouTube, we got another mystery power box opening, looking for some original Pokemon packs. 1 in 20. Let's dive into it. Alright. Got our code card. Let's see if we can shake out our coin. Hello, coin. Nope, not gonna happen. Got a Roaring Skies. Another Roaring Skies. Got Evolutions. And Phantom Forces. I heard our coin. There it is. Xerneas coin. And Primal Clash. Dang it. Sorry about that. Alright. So Phantom Forces is always first. My least favorite out of all of them. So put those about right there. That's quite the glare. Well, we'll have to deal, right? Till I can at least get a better camera. Alright, we've got Dedenne, Alomomola, Totodile, Frillish, Gulpin, Tierno, Loudred, Roller Skates, Reverse Totodile, and Explode. Alright. Primal Clash. Oh, look at the back of that color. Coloring is a little different on that one. It's kind of a purplish color. Oh well. Let's see what we got. Nidoran, Tentacool, Torchic, Hippopotas, Surskit, Nidoqueen, Seadra, Aggron Spirit Link. We have a reverse Mudkip, and a foil Aegislash. Evolutions. Always looking for Charizards out of Evolutions. One of my favorite Pokemon. Alright, we've got Vulpix, Sandshrew, Onix, Magikarp, Energy, Charizard Spirit Link, Kakuna, Full Hill, Reverse Beedrill, and a Slowbro EX. Hopefully we get something out of Roaring Skies, or I'm almost feeling like this is deja vu with my other openings. Let's see what we've got. Fingers crossed for a Shaymin. We've got Natu, Pikachu, Bagon, Wingull, Swablu, Dustox, Double Dragon Energy, Latios Spirit Link, Reverse Wally, and a Victini. And last Roaring Skies. We've got Meowth, Spearow, Natu, Shuppet, Dratini, Togetic, Ultra Ball, Tropius, Reverse Halucha, and a foil Beautifly. Alright, that's it for this one. Tune in next time. Hopefully we can pull something good. Thanks for watching.